Craving that fresh, crunchy delight but tired of soggy bags and spluttered kernels? Prepare to revolutionize your snack game with the ultimate popcorn machines, ultra-fast, oil-free air poppers, retro stovetop classics, and sleek countertop champs. Stick around to find the perfect popper to make every movie night magic. All the products featured in this video can be found in the description below. For more comprehensive analysis and handy comparison, please visit our website at smartpicked.com. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to keep up with our latest updates. Now, let's jump into the listicle. At number 5, we have Ecolution Micropop Microwave Popcorn Popper, the best single-serve popcorn machine. Popcorn lovers, meet the Ecolution Micropop Microwave Popcorn Popper, your new kitchen companion. This nifty little gadget makes single servings of perfectly popped, chewy popcorn every time without any hassle. You'll appreciate the glass design, which promotes even cooking and prevents burning, something you won't find in many silicone models. The convenient lid doubles as a measuring cup for kernels and a clever reservoir for melting butter. This feature ensures even mess-free distribution, adding delicious flavor to your treat. Plus, you can select from 6 vibrant colors, turning a classic snack into a fun gift option. We loved its compact size, making it ideal for miniature microwaves or solo snack sessions. Carrying this popper is simple, thanks to its large handle. However, when feeding a family, you might find yourself making multiple batches in succession. While Ecolution does offer a 3-quart version, it still remains smaller than some traditional popcorn machines. Cleanup is a breeze with this popper. Although it's dishwasher safe, a quick rinse is sufficient if you skip the oil or butter. While some might prefer larger capacities, consider that this small size actually promotes portion control and makes individual snacking a joy. What stands out most is how reliably it pops kernels without fuss. For anyone seeking the best single-serve popcorn maker, Ecolution Micropop is an excellent choice. Stay tuned, you'll witness single-serve simplicity like you never imagined. At number 4, we have Whirley Pop Popper Kit, the best stovetop popcorn machine. Popcorn lovers, rejoice! The Whirley Pop Popper Kit stands out as the best stovetop popcorn machine on the market. After extensive testing, you'll appreciate why this aluminum popper has earned such high praise. One major pro is its lightning-fast popping capability. In just 9 seconds, you can pop 1 ounce of kernels. This speed means fewer waiting moments, making movie nights more enjoyable. Imagine impressing family and friends with freshly popped popcorn in no time. Another great feature is its ability to pop nearly every kernel. Unlike some competing models that leave a few unpopped, this machine ensures nothing goes to waste. You can savor every fluffy bite without fear of leftover kernels ruining the experience. Cleaning up is easy with the Whirley Pop. Its straightforward design allows you to quickly rinse out the pot after use. This simplicity is a profound benefit for anyone who wants hassle-free popcorn enjoyment. One area for improvement is the weight of the popper. It may feel a little heavier than some lightweight competitors. However, this sturdy construction contributes to its durability, ensuring you get a reliable appliance for years to come. What I love most is the delightful crunch and flavor of the popcorn. You can customize your favorite seasonings, transforming a simple snack into a gourmet treat. Keep watching. The next popper turns your stovetop into a popcorn powerhouse. Still searching for the perfect popcorn machine? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed. At number 3, we have Paragon 1911, original 8-ounce red popcorn machine, the best movie theater-style popcorn machine. Movie nights just got a serious upgrade. Paragon 1911, original 8-ounce red popcorn machine delivers that classic theater experience right in your home. Its nostalgic design grabs attention with vibrant colors and charming carnival lettering. This machine effortlessly pops enough kernels for any gathering, ensuring no one goes hungry during film marathons. One standout feature is the built-in warming deck. This keeps popped corn fresh and ready to eat, which is a game changer for parties. You can serve batch after batch without worrying about stale or cold popcorn. The rotating mixer arm makes popping easy and prevents burning, so you get perfectly fluffy popcorn every time. Using this popper is a breeze. Add kernels and oil, flip the switch, and let it work its magic. Once finished, the popcorn spills beautifully into the windowed cabinet. Small holes in the tray effortlessly sift out unpopped kernels, leaving only perfect pieces. Cleaning is simple thanks to sturdy materials. The hard-coated aluminum kettle is durable and easy to maintain. Regular upkeep keeps grease at bay, ensuring your machine shines. While this model may demand a higher investment, its superior capacity and performance truly excel compared to other options. It shines during family gatherings or sleepovers, creating delightful memories. Hold tight. The forthcoming machine brings movie theater magic home. At number 2, we have West Bend Stir Crazy Electric Popcorn Popper Machine, the best electric popcorn machine. Popcorn lovers rejoice. The West Bend Stir Crazy Electric Popcorn Popper Machine delivers delicious, fluffy popcorn without the hassle of stovetop or microwave. This user-friendly appliance plugs directly into your wall, allowing you to enjoy movie nights in no time. What sets this popcorn maker apart is its built-in agitator. This feature stirs unpopped kernels, ensuring even heat distribution and preventing burning. Popping becomes a breeze, and you can savor every crunchy bite. Once the fun is over, flipping the unit makes serving easy, transforming the lid into a convenient bowl. Cleanup also becomes simple, as the popper nests neatly for storage. Efficient popcorn popping doesn't come without its quirks. While it requires more oil than some models, the payoff is in flavor. Opt for oils like coconut or sunflower to ensure the best popping experience. This small adjustment guarantees each kernel pops perfectly, leaving few unpopped ones behind. What I appreciate most about this popcorn popper is its versatility. I love that it doubles as a serving bowl, making my snack sessions less messy. Friends enjoy watching as kernels dance while they pop, and everyone looks forward to fresh popcorn. Though it does need a little more oil, that merely enhances the experience. You spend a bit more time prepping, but the taste is worth it. Don't blink. The following popper stirs kernels into perfect fluff with ease. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. At number 1, we have Cuisinart EasyPop Hot Air Popcorn Maker, the best overall popcorn machine. If you're a popcorn lover, the Cuisinart EasyPop Hot Air Popcorn Maker will make your day. This fantastic machine stands out as the best overall popcorn maker, delivering up to 10 cups of fluffy popcorn in under 3 minutes. Adding no oil makes it a healthier option, so you can indulge guilt-free. One of the biggest wins with this popcorn maker is the simple operation. Just flip the on and off switch, and you're good to go. The bright red base adds a fun vibe to your kitchen, making popcorn preparation enjoyable for everyone. A handy measuring cup, which doubles as the lid and butter melting cup, helps ensure perfect portions every time. Cleanup is a breeze too, thanks to the removable and dishwasher-safe chute. This feature is a lifesaver for those who hate scrubbing appliances. Plus, if you ever need replacement parts, you can easily find them, ensuring long-term use. While I truly enjoy this popcorn maker, it's wise to stick to the recommended amount of kernels. Overloading may lead to overheating. Be sure to empty the base after use. Doing so prevents unpopped kernels from sticking around. What I love most is how efficiently it cooks. You can satisfy popcorn cravings quickly, making movie nights or snacking effortless. That's a wrap. We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection of best popcorn machines. If you did, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and clicking the subscribe button. Additionally, feel free to share in the comments which popcorn machine you're considering. Let's turn your choice into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.